Hello everyone, today on the channel Do You Know? We will talk about bioluminescence, the rare phenomenon in Ubatuba. Stay with us. Subscribe to the channel now so you don't miss any content. Have you ever heard of a natural phenomenon that makes the sea shine as if it were covered in stars? Today, we're going to explore an incredible spectacle of nature, bioluminescence on the beaches of Ubatuba, Brazil. I'm Carlos Montero, and in this video, we're going to understand how and why this phenomenon happens. Bioluminescence is the production of light by living organisms, a phenomenon that occurs thanks to chemical reactions in the bodies of certain organisms. Among the best known are marine plankton, such as dinoflagellates, which illuminate the water when agitated. Bioluminescence is a term used to refer to the ability of some living beings to emit cold, visible light. In general, this phenomenon occurs in a wide variety of organisms and is found in the phyla Annelida, Arthropoda, Chordata, Cnidaria, Chitinophora, Echinodermata, and Mollusca. Bioluminescence occurs in the sea, as well as in other aquatic environments and in terrestrial environments. Bioluminescence plays a primary role in biological communication, such as defense, attracting prey, and sexual attraction. It is worth noting that plants, amphibians, reptiles, birds, or mammals are not bioluminescent organisms. Bioluminescence can be observed in aquatic or terrestrial ecosystems. As previously mentioned, it occurs in arthropods, bacteria, fungi, algae, cnidarians, insects, mollusks, and fish. Insects are the class of organisms, terrestrial species, that have the most bioluminescent species. Some species in this class produce light in specialized organs, while others emit light by ingesting bioluminescent beings. Bioluminescence can be used for intraspecific communication through light patterns and frequencies, and is highly important in reproductive processes. Another important function of bioluminescence is interspecific signaling, the main purpose of which is to attract potential prey for an ambush or vice versa. Mimicry to discourage a predator, imitating another animal or simulating a larger body size than the real one, both associated with defensive behavior. In marine environments, deep-sea fish still use the resource to illuminate the marine twilight like a flashlight. In general, bioluminescence occurs thanks to the oxidation of an organic molecule. In this chemical reaction, the binding energy of organic compounds is converted into visible light. Luciferin is the name given to molecules that are oxidized and produce excited molecules, photons, which decay and emit light. The enzymes that catalyze this reaction are called luciferases. Bioluminescence is the phenomenon responsible for the emission of light by fireflies, insects belonging to the Lampyridae and Phengodidae families, which present these chemical reactions as a strategy for sexual attraction. They present bioluminescence through their photocytes, which are cells specialized for emitting light, in which molecules called luciferins, as well as the enzyme called luciferase, are present. Bioluminescence has several applications. In medicine, the luciferase enzyme can be used through its light energy to identify, analyze, and monitor biological processes, such as tumor growth, for example. Some bioluminescent species can serve as bioindicators of light pollution. In addition, experts are studying the possibility of using the phenomenon of light emission by living organisms to create trees that glow in the dark and act as natural lights. Ubatuba, located on the northern coast of São Paulo, is one of the places in Brazil where we can observe this magical phenomenon. During certain times of the year, when the temperature and environmental conditions are ideal, the sea glows in blue tones, providing an unforgettable spectacle. Residents and tourists of the village of Itamambuca in Ubatuba on the northern coast of São Paulo, witnessed a luminous spectacle in the sea on the night of March 7th. In the case of Ubatuba, dinoflagellate marine plankton were responsible for the light show. At the end of 2024, similar eye-catching images on the Brazilian coast went viral on the internet. The illuminated sea was on the beaches of Sossego, Camboinhas, and Itacoatiara, located in the oceanic region of Niterói in Rio de Janeiro. Just like what was observed on Brazilian beaches, the phenomenon of bioluminescence has already been recorded in other places around the world. Mosquito Bay, located on the island of Vieques in Puerto Rico, this bay is famous for its bioluminescence. Luminous Lagoon Bay, Luminous Lagoon of Jamaica, in the Caribbean, is home to thousands of organisms that light up when touched. Vadhu Island, an island in the Maldives in the Indian Ocean, is known for the bioluminescent phenomenon caused by plankton, sea of stars. If you want to witness this spectacle, here are some tips. Choose nights without a full moon so that the darkness enhances the brightness. Avoid using strong flashlights so as not to hinder your adaptation to the dark. Walk along the seashore and gently agitate the water to stimulate bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is one of the most beautiful and mysterious natural phenomena on our planet. If you have the opportunity to visit Ubatuba and witness this spectacle, don't miss it. Have you ever seen anything like it? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more incredible content about nature. Until next time.